the fucking hole!
You idiot.
What?
You just screwed yourself.
Why?
They're all shooting right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was just taking heat.
They're shooting at me.
I was taking heat.
Yeah, I think I confused them.
Confused what?
They didn't know what's going on. They're like, why is he running across?
We need to get the high ground.
I know. You want to try? You want to go back into the high ground?
You can go here. You can go real quick.
Okay. I'll cover you.
Okay.
I'll spray. You go. Ready? 1,
Wait,
2.
Let me get set.
3, go.
Wait, let me get set. They're getting hit, they're getting hit! He's out, he's out.
You got it?
I think he's down.
Are they shooting at us?
No. Flo, we gotta move up. Don't shoot, don't. There's one at the top. You out?
Walk
Oh,
away.
okay.
Go upstairs.
There's a guy right behind him. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Who shot at us?
I'm behind him.
Wait, who shot it?
I'm behind him.
I thought that was Angus and Matt.
Angus isn't in here.
Yo, when we kill them, they're gonna just shoot at us. Angus and Matthew.
Yeah, no.
We need to be separate.
You want to try to rush him?
Angus and Matt?
Yeah.
Betray them?
What?
You want to betray them?
Yeah, fuck him.
Okay. Oh, he's shooting us! Get down, Floyd, get down! They scummed us! Keep them suppressed. Who is that just shooting at us?
I don't know. It's not Angus, maybe he's Matt.
That was Matt.
Yo, just hold out. Make them see each other. I'm shooting at you.
Yo, Flo, watch down there. Make sure he doesn't come around.
I should have got fucking gloves.
Yeah, I know.
Mike. Full Mother Russia.
You charging? Flo, what are you doing, man?
Tell my wife it's you. Fuck. Mike, can you cover me?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flo!
I think I'm safe.
Stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, Flo. Flo. Flo, wait. Oh my god. That was the completely most pointless thing I've ever seen.
My hand's cold.
So I'm moving up. He's coming through, he's coming through. Flo, move up this way, move up, move up. Get behind him. Chechen's down, Chechen's down. Flo, come on, they're down, they're down. Flo, you can't be there. Best flag runner, Renee. Oh shit. Yo, Flo, my battery's forked.
It got me.
What?
Like, oh,
My battery's dead.
really?
Yeah.
Can you do anything?
Nah. I can run for the flag though. Take my gun.
No, you did a scare tactic. Just point at him.
Or slow me down.
You're the hero we need. You like that bloody. Alright, there's. Want me to come with you?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Stay behind me. Actually, I got an idea, Floyd.
I'll stay right behind you.
No.
What?
Stay right in front of me.
No, I'm not gonna stay right in front of you. If I stay right behind you, I can shoot them.
If you're in front of me, I'm getting
You're
the
in front of
flag.
me.
I just take you. You shoot everything, and you'll be
No,
the
if I'm
hero.
behind you, it's better.
You'll be the hero Gotham deserves.
I don't want to be a fucking hero.
Come on, Floyd.
He's fucking shooting at us.
You can't hit shit from here. It's retarded. Floyd.
What?
You gotta do it. You gotta do it, Floyd.
Side by side. Aim for the bushes.
You gotta do it. I wish I had a Thunderbird on me.
You ready? Oh boy!
Angus, keep him suppressed! Shoot! Start shooting him! Oh shoot! Floyd, move up! What? And surrender! 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 Surrender!
Angus, me and you!
Angus, go, go, go! Flood, move up, move up, Flood, move up. Flood, move. Come on.
Don't even carry guns.
Matt, get ready to go. Matt, go, 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 go. Oh, we called time?
Angus, there's no timeout.
Go, Matt, go, go, go.
Angus, can I wait for him? We're just Why do you call timeout? What happened? Yo, is he fucking hurt? Like, really? Yo,
Well, you can't.
You can't flag guard.
No, you called timeout.
You can't be within like 10 yards of the flag. Why? I'm keeping real fast. Move a little bit. What?
Charge the flag, charge the flag. Get the flag. Hit. How do you, can you just call timeout like that?
Jesus.
Alright, Matt, let's go, I'm leaving. It was fun.
Time for the,
Fun while it lasted. What?
time for the Cold War. Let's all, let's all get hit and not call it.
Just don't call your hits on this one. That worked. Intimidation factor.
No call.
Fernandio!